Welcome to this short video of the two-day Experiential Learning Masterclass. The Masterclass has been delivered across the globe and it's designed for facilitators, trainers, teachers, lecturers, in fact anyone that's involved in learning and development. The course is very much about being actively engaged in a whole range of experiences. And whilst the course is very experiential, it's important for me to say that it's not a course specifically about outdoor activities, although it is suitable for outdoor educators and outdoor facilitators. You can see here some of the underpinning research that I've conducted on experiential learning, a whole range of books. Here there's an audio book on sensory intelligence, a DVD called Mastering University for university students, and here just a few of the academic publications. This one is the British Educational Research Journal, where there's an article on emotions, and this is a professional journal, the Journal of the Royal Society of Arts, where there's an article on the design of space for learning. If you're interested in buying any of the books, then I'd recommend this 4th edition of the Experiential Learning book and this Experiential Learning Toolkit, which has about 30 different methods in it. The program, the two-day masterclass, focuses on the design of experiential learning, and you can see here that these are my outline designs for the two-day masterclass, and you can see that they move from left to right with the sessions here and my notes underneath. We also look at the design of digital formats, and everyone on the two-day masterclass will have a chance to design experiences. So this is a digital format. You can see here there's an index, and of course we start with the beginning. Here these are ends and the rest are the middles. When we look at the beginnings, coded here in yellow, it's very much about the sense of introducing icebreakers and developing a sense of belonging. These 3 sessions here are about learning the underpinning models and theories, and the rest of the two-day masterclass is about practical examples to illustrate some of the underpinning principles behind experiential learning design. So this is where we begin. And we look at a number of techniques to introduce this sense of belonging. Models and theories are very practically orientated, focused on design, and whilst they might look complicated, they're certainly not. The models that we'll use are more substantial than the 4-stage David Cole experiential learning cycle. But the way that we understand these models is by a process of collaboratively constructing them. We walk them, we talk about them, we share, and we gain a deeper understanding of the practical use of these models. These sessions are very much hands-on. If we look at the essence of the model, it's about encouraging people to learn to think, to learn to understand emotions and the relationship of feelings, to learn to observe and sense the world, and to learn to do and to act. But ultimately, much of this is contributing to the sense of who we are and our need to be in the world and the need to belong in the world. And if we look at belonging, the model very much looks at the socio-cultural, the human world, but it also looks at the natural world and the fact that people often experience the world in a spiritual way. Experience design is the focus. Everyone on the program will receive links to videos, and there'll be other support material provided. Everyone will have a chance to experience a session called Coffee and Papers, which starts off as a solo experience with everyone finding quiet space to read, maybe to grab a tea, an orange juice or a coffee, and a snack, and be on their own in a particular place, taking in what it is that they're reading. This ultimately translates into a collaborative experience where we all discuss what it is that we've read and we share. The other thing that is very strong in the program is the ability to work with what I'm calling navigational tools. These are tools to help people to learn and to help people to navigate quite complex things. All the sessions are very much hands-on, with people sharing and experiencing, sensing, and developing patterns of thinking. See here, this is why post-it labels are extremely popular, simply because they can be moved. So movement plays a key role in learning, and so does categorization. Here you can see the use of haptic devices in a physical format, and these can also be developed in a digital format. A whole range of principles will be introduced, but everything is illustrated with practical examples. We use critical incidents and case studies. This might be to do with customer service, or it might be to do with the art of giving good feedback. We'll also look at the design of a card game. It's called the Ideal Student, but everyone has a chance to take away a template, and you can of course design your own card game to suit your program or your organization. Throughout the 2 days there'll be a chance to reflect and review and to share, and specific reviewing sessions will be available either at the beginning of the day or the end of the day to add a more substantial period of reflection. All of them will be experiential. So that's just a sample of the kind of experiences that will be part of the 2-day masterclass. And there again is a copy of the digital program. These are the objectives for the 2 days. So thank you for listening, and we hope that you'll join us.